Hey everyone, here's a recipe for healthy and tasty spinach soup. Let's start by blanching the spinach first. Add some salt in the boiling water. Then add 2 cups of spinach and cook just for 2 minutes. We just have to blanch the spinach. Make sure to wash the spinach with cold water before you add it to blanch. Remove in a blender jar and let it cool for few minutes before making the puree. Otherwise it will splash everywhere and you could get hurt. Add 1 teaspoon butter, 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves and cook until it turns golden brown. You can use oil instead of butter, but I would suggest you to use butter as it brings out the flavor in the soup. Now add 1 teaspoon cornflour and saute. This will give creamy texture to the soup as we are not using any milk. Add prepared spinach puree. Cook on medium flame while stirring. Now add some water to the blender jar and scrape the sides to use up all the spinach. Now add this water to the soup being prepared. You can even use vegetable stock instead of just plain water to enhance the flavor of the soup. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste. Add these spices as per your liking, how spicy you would want your soup to be. This is my mom's recipe. This is how she makes spinach soup for me. It's my favorite, so I wanted to share with you all. Add mixed herbs. It's optional though. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming delicious recipes. Healthy, tasty, yummy spinach soup is ready. So if you're watching your weight or just want to include something healthy in your diet, do give this a try. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.